Are you interested in making a passive income through YouTube? Well, I have an exciting idea for you, a faceless YouTube channel powered by AI. With this innovative approach, you can create amazing content without ever showing your face. Let's get started on unmasking the world of YouTube automation. First, you'll need to gather the necessary tools. Our AI-powered video creation software will be your best friend in this endeavor. With its advanced features, you can easily create engaging videos in a matter of minutes. Next, choose a niche that you're passionate about. It could be cooking, fashion, gaming, or anything else that piques your interest. Research the popular keywords related to your niche, as they will help you optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Now, let's dive into the content creation process. Start by gathering footage from various sources, such as stock videos or Creative Commons licensed content. Combine these clips using our AI editing tool to create visually stunning videos. But wait, we're not done yet. To engage your audience even further, it's important to add voiceovers to your videos. Use our text-to-speech feature, which offers a wide variety of natural-sounding voices. Simply paste your script, choose a voice, and voila, your video will have a professional touch. Once you have your video ready, it's time to optimize it for YouTube. Write compelling titles and descriptions, incorporating relevant keywords. This will help your videos rank higher in search results, increasing your visibility to potential viewers. Now comes the exciting part, monetization. Join the YouTube Partner Program and enable ads on your videos. As your channel grows, so will your views and revenue. And the best part? You can continue creating content without ever showing your face. To ensure your success, remember to engage with your viewers. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and create a sense of community. This will not only help you build a loyal fan base but also increase your chances of success. Finally, don't forget to promote your channel on social media platforms, collaborate with other YouTubers, and continually improve your content. With dedication and perseverance, your AI-powered faceless channel can become a major source of passive income. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this.